In this video, we're going to use algebra for supplementary angles. All right, so let's do a practice one like we've been doing. So we have a straight angle, which is 180 degrees, and then we cut it somewhere and we create two angles that then add up to the 180, which makes them supplementary, and it also makes them a linear pair. So let's just say that this was 65 degrees, okay? What we would do to find out what the other side would be is we would start with 180 and we'd minus 65, and we get 115 degrees. And that would be our answer. So far, that's all we've done. Well, today we're going to do a little bit more, and we're going to do practice problems like this, where they give us one angle, of course, but the other angle is written as an expression. So we're still going to do the same thing. We're going to do 180 minus 24, which is 156. So this side has to equal 156. So there's our equation. So we get 3x plus 6 equals 156. So we're going to solve that. So this is just a two-step equation. 3x plus 6 equals 156. So I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides, and I get 3x equals 150. Then I'm going to divide by 3, and 150 divided by 3 is 50, because if I took 50, 50, and 50 and added them together, I'd get 150. Let's do another one. Looking at this problem, I'm going to start with 180 and I'm going to subtract 36. 180 minus 36, and I get 144. So that means that this side also equals 144. So there's my equation. I already have it written down. I'm going to copy it down on another sheet of paper just so I can solve it. And I'm going to make the x divided by 3 on the left-hand side, but it's the same thing. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to write the variable on the left-hand side, just because it seems like students do better when it's written like that. But know that these two say the same thing. 144 on this side or that side, it doesn't matter. All right, I'm going to subtract 99. And I don't know what 144 minus 99 is. 45. Now I'm going to, if x is being divided by 3, which it is, right now that means divided by, then I'm going to multiply by 3 to get rid of it. 45 times 3 is 135. So x is 135. So I'm going to fill that in. And I'm also going to fill in this answer. So go ahead and try 3 and 4 by yourself, and then play the video and see if you got them right or wrong. So pause the video, try 3 and 4, and then watch the video. Make sure you got it right. Okay, number 3, we're going to do 180 minus 77, and I get 103. So that means this side equals 103 as well. So I have my equation. Your equation should have been 4x plus 3 equals 103. Then we're going to subtract 3, divide by 4, and x is 25. So if you got 25, then good job. If you didn't, then watch the video again and see where you messed up. Okay, number 4, start with 180 and subtract 139, the known angle. And the other side is 41 degrees. And then I set up my equation and I solve. So I have 2x minus 19 equals 41. I'm going to add 19 to both sides, and I get 2x equals 60. And then I'm going to divide by 2, which is like taking half of a number. Half of 60 is 30. So this one would be 30. All right, I'm going through these fairly quickly. So if you are confused and you have questions, you really need to ask for help, okay? Otherwise, I want you to finish out the 4 that are remaining and then the practice problems that are behind it.